If your pool pump is not priming, it's usually because air is sneaking into the system or something's blocking the flow. Let's fix that fast so you're not stuck with no clean pool water. First off, check for air leaks in the suction line. Even tiny cracks or loose fittings can suck in air and stop the pump from priming. Make sure all the pump lids and seals are on tight and not cracked or damaged. Next, clear any blockages in the pump basket and skimmer. Weird stuff like leaves and debris love to clog these spots. Don't forget to check the impeller inside the pump. If it's jammed or full of junk, that's a no-go for priming. Also, ensure the water level in your pool is high enough to keep water flowing into the skimmer properly. When you start the pump, open the air relief valve if your system has one. That helps push trapped air out. If your suction line has a valve, make sure it's fully open to let water flow freely. Finally, try filling the pump housing with water manually before starting the pump again to help get the prime going. One of the biggest mistakes with a pool pump not priming is ignoring air leaks, which are super common and stop everything from working right. Fixing this usually just means tightening or replacing seals. Another issue is not clearing blockages in the pump basket or skimmer. This is a quick fix if you keep up with cleaning debris regularly. Lastly, people often forget to check water levels or manually fill the pump housing before starting. Keeping proper water levels and adding water to the pump when needed makes priming way easier and keeps your pump happy. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle, making home upgrades less stressful. For contractors, it's a great way to get work by connecting directly with people who need their services nearby.